We have a rich history and a global presence in the paper and tissue industry. Our origins in Italy date back to 1944, when ANDRITZ A.Celli founded a small company here in Lucca that nowadays counts among the leaders in providing technologies and services for the tissue, paper and board industry. Our location in Tassignano is the heart of our operations. Here, we design, manufacture and assemble cutting-edge machinery and key components for the paper industry. Our workshop covers an impressive area of 7,500 square meters, featuring 4 different assembly areas and an under-crane height of up to 12 meters. The building here in Tassignano is not our only location in Italy. We also have a significant presence in Pinerolo.
In the A.Celli history, one of the most relevant milestones has been the acquisition of PMT in 2020. It allowed us to expand our presence in the market with solutions and services for all paper grades, with a special focus on machine upgrades for the paper and board industry. When we recently joined the ANDRITZ family, we immediately appreciated how this could be beneficial to our customers. We have been always driven by technological solutions focused on the customer needs.
Our 3 locations, Tassignano, Pinerolo and Shanghai, serve customers worldwide with comprehensive turnkey solutions for tissue production and key components for tissue, paper and board. The highlights of our offering is our state-of-the-art winding technology and services. Whether it's on winders, or rewinders, we provide various configurations that adhere to the highest safety standard, ensuring that anything is possible to meet our customer needs. Under the former brand A.Celli Paper, we install more than 1,000 units worldwide. Thereof, more than 100 tissue machines and are more than 400 winders for tissue and paper.
Our rewinders contain state-of-the-art technology that is maintained through continuous innovations that allow us to combine maximum process performance with all the other features that a modern industrial machine must have during its life, starting from the safety of those who operate it. Therefore, our machines are continuously innovated from the point of view of ease of operation and maintenance, also by equipping them with simple and intuitive operator interfaces and complete diagnostic, capable of guiding maintenance personnel in their interventions. Ergonomics, accessibility, visibility of the process are our focuses when we design your machine. Before shipment, the machine is completely tested in our factory and stays available there for our customers' operators to train them in such a way that together with them we achieve immediate operator confidence and maximum performance in a very short time after installation. With our aftermarket service, we support our customers in keeping our installed units to their maximum efficiency, supplying consumables and maintenance expertise, and proposing all available upgrades. All this makes our customers pleased with our rewinders.
We remarkably strengthened our position in the tissue, paper and board business, bringing product and service portfolios and especially the winder to our capabilities. We have now combined very specialized knowledge on key components with a global reach and technology leadership. Our customers will benefit from a significant network of suppliers and partners near our facilities and near to them, enabling to adapt efficiently to the market demands and other opportunities.
To our pipe and paper customers, we can offer, so to say, all out of one hand, complete paper and tissue production lines and services, from stock preparation and paper and tissue machines up to winders, rewinders and roll handling systems.
This merging of experience and know-how enables us to achieve our target of becoming a formidable service provider for the paper industry, offering a comprehensive product and service solution from headbox to winder. Our teams now mutually share an enlarged pool of engineering expertise and process know-how, enriched by years of supply of performance products, services, upgrades and machine rebuilds. By joining forces, we are poised to set new standards in service excellence and machine performance optimization for the paper industry.
With our combined knowledge in pulp, paper, board and tissue, we digitalize the entire value stream, ensuring a reliable and optimized production for our customers. Our global presence allows us to support customers worldwide, regardless of project size or complexity. And with our advanced smart and digital tools, we support our customers to run their mill at its best.
A.Celli Paper Shanghai office offered complete solutions on the high-performance rewinders for a wide range of the paper grades, with the two strategically located pre-assembly workshops in Shanghai and Wuxi City. A total area of 5,000 square meters. We have the capacity to manufacture and assemble up to the 7 sets of the rewinder simultaneously, and we have the world record of the manufacturing the biggest paper winder, which was started in April 2025. Backed by a team of the highly skilled mechanical, electrical, and automation engineers, we deliver timely, efficient, and customized solutions to the customers across China and the Asia-Pacific region.
The acquisition and the integration of A.Celli Paper, the ANDRITZ, represents a strategic alliance that combines global leadership in paper technology, significantly enhancing our expansion efforts in the Asian market by prioritizing localized services, operational synergies, and customized solutions for the Asia-Pacific region. This acquisition will accelerate sustainable transformation, reinforce our competitive edge, and solidify ANDRITZ's position as a market leader in the pulp and paper industry.
As we look to the future, we see great opportunities ahead. Our entire team is ready to help our customers with their challenges and to reach their goals. Together, we can create a bright future for our industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey.